Okay, ladies, this is maybe the most important question. How can we know? How can we know if he's really in love with you, if he's really interested in you, or if he's just playing you, if he has no interest just to enjoy the moment? This is a very important question because it will define your moral, how you feel, your mindset, if you're feeling good, your energy as well. And so I want to make sure that I help you with that. I want to make sure that I help you be more confident or at least understand better the situation. I will show you 7 questions. 7 questions that are very, very important. But the most important one, of course, will be the last one. I want you to stay with me because with the last question, I will be able to tell you what could be the next step in your dynamic. Okay? So before we start, I want to make sure that you will hit the like button, subscribe to this community so I can help you, I can respond to your comments, and I can show you that being happy in your love life is possible. Question number 1. Is he investing in you? Will he propose to see you, to meet you? Because some men, they will wait for your initiatives. Of course, this is not good in my opinion. When a guy is just waiting for you to invite him, organize a second date or whatever, it's kind of like he's in his comfort zone and he tells himself, she will do it. She will text me. She will ask to meet again. She will find a great idea. She will do everything. This is for me a man that maybe is not playing, but he's not investing. He's not really attached to you. He's not trying his best. That's not what we want. We want a guy that will try his best for you. We want a guy that will see your value, that will realize that you are so amazing. So question number 1, is he someone that will propose, organize, invest? If you tell me no, no big deal. I don't want you to be scared for the first question, right? It's just a matter of, okay, if you tell me no, that's no big deal. We just need to twist some few things in your relationship that will make him more in love. And that's okay. That's really not a big deal. Question number 2, is he projecting himself? For example, he would talk about the next holidays. He would talk about the next trip, the next summer. When you have a guy that can project himself, not only to marry you, have kids with you, because that could be seen also as love bombing. I know your name since last week and now I want to marry you. That's a little bit too soon, too fast, too weird. Okay? But if a guy is trying to project himself, hey, look, in 3 months from now, I'm going to travel with my family. I would love for you to come with me. That is him organizing the future. That is him investing in your relationship. And that is a big deal. Let me tell you, ladies, this is very important to me. So question number 2, is he projecting himself with you? Is he trying to organize things with you? Another way to ask this question would be, does he visualize himself with you? Is he trying to articulate his vision of the future with you? It could be a long future or a future that is coming in the next week or so, just so you know. Question number 3, is he bringing you into his world? Let me repeat this question, very important for me at least. Is he bringing you into his world? Is he talking to you about his friends, his coworkers, his mother? Does he talk to them about you? Because some men, they will basically box their life. Okay, this is my friends, this is my work, this is my girlfriend. So if I leave my girlfriend, I don't have to talk to my friend and my coworkers about it because they won't ask any question. My girlfriend was no sin, no from nobody. So this, I don't like it. Of course, some men could have their secret garden. Secret garden means private life. But they also need to make sure that you're part of their world. They need to show that you're not hide. It's not like they are putting you on the side and just enjoy their life. We want to make sure that they would bring you into their world. We want to make sure that they would talk about you. They would be happy to introduce you to the people they love. Now, that doesn't mean you met on Monday and on Tuesday, you need to meet his mother. That would be way too soon. There is some respect to put in this. But still, he can talk about you after a few weeks, few months. I met a girl. She's really amazing. I would love for you to meet her, but I'm taking my time. That's perfect, right? We want to take our time, but we want to be part of his world. Question number 4, and I love this one. Is he remembering what you say? If he doesn't remember what you say, for example, I had a client that I coached. She has allergy. Okay, she doesn't like gluten. And this guy took her to a restaurant where everything is gluten. Everything. There was no gluten-free meal. And I told her, this is a big sign. Because me, I'm as a man, if you tell me we are going on a date, you're allergic to gluten, my first thing first, I go to Google, best restaurant gluten-free in town. Because I want to make sure that I show you, I listen to you, I want to attract you, I want to surprise you, I want to invest, and I want to win your heart. I want to win your love. If this guy is taking you to a restaurant that says everything is gluten, there is an issue. Especially right now in today's world, every restaurant has something without gluten. He chooses the only one with gluten because it doesn't care. That's it. It doesn't care. So I'm telling you, ladies, if he doesn't remember what you say, if he doesn't remember what you love, if he doesn't remember what is important for you, this guy is not attached to you. Even if he says, I love you, I want to take you out to dinner, you're so beautiful, blah, blah, blah. This guy is not investing in you. Now, if you tell me, Alex, he remembers, he knows I love sushi, he booked the best sushi restaurant in town. Very good sign. Very good sign. It's not love bombing. It's someone that shows your value. Even if it doesn't text you every day because he is independent, avoidant, sensational, he's still investing in you. I still love it. Okay, ladies? So question number 4, is he remembering what you say? Is he investing in your words? And if you tell me, Alex, I would love some help to make him be more attached to me. I would love some help to make him be more vulnerable to me and listen to me. You need to be lighter. You need to be lighter in a way that if we focus on being in a relationship, we put so much pressure. That's why there is a technique that comes from friends, flirting. If you know how to flirt with a man, you will make him be so attracted, so in love. You will be so special in his eyes. So I created some gift to explain to you what is flirting, how can you do it. The link is in the description box below. Just click on it and you will have access to my gift. It's free, but you will be able to understand my philosophy a little bit better. And also, you will make him fight for you. Question number 5. Are you his second mother? Are you his savior? Or are you his therapist? If you need to solve his administrative papers, or he received a paper from the state, or he has some issue at work, whatever his issue are, you should not save him. You can help, but that should not become the primary focus. I've coached so many women. You become his mother or his therapist. Yeah, when I was young, I got this relationship. She hurts me. Can you realize what she did to me? Blah, blah, blah. Hey, his job is to seduce you. It's not to listen to his story. It's not to talk about his life. No. It is to attract you. When a man has the balls, sorry, pardon my French, but he has the balls to talk to you about his past relationship and how difficult it was and blah, that means that he doesn't try to attract you. He's not even trying. He doesn't care. Only thing he cares about is himself. No, sorry, ladies, that's not what we want. This will lead to question number 6. Is he still having his life and his passions? Because I've coached so many of you where you tell me, Alex, it's him. It's him that wanted to see me every day. It's him that wanted to come to my world all the time. It's him that wanted to talk morning, afternoon, and night. I know it's him because it's his job. It's his job to not follow his life and just be part of yours, because then you fall in love. Then you want to be with him. Then you want to create an amazing relationship. But at the end of the day, he will lose himself and he will put the fault on you. I'm sorry, I think it's too much for me. I'm sorry, I don't feel myself again. Just because you didn't say no, Thursday, you go out with your friend. I don't want to see you. No. You have to say no, ladies, if you want to make sure that he's not playing games and that he will not dump you in a couple of weeks. So question number 6, does he continue to have his own life, his own passions, or does he make his life about you? Either he will become codependent and you will stop the relationship, or he will put the fault on you because you didn't say no. So it's very important, this question. This will lead me to question number 7, but before, you need to hit the like button and you need to subscribe to this channel. Question number 7, to know if this guy is playing you or is he really attached to you, is he really investing in you? The question is only this, is he consistent? First of all, his words needs to match his action. We know that if you're watching my videos, but his words and action needs to match. And it needs to match and be consistent, at least for the next 6 months. If you don't have the consistency, it's not good. If you have the consistency and you see that he's really putting the work, then you don't even need me. You don't even need to subscribe because your love life will be amazing. Even if it's still good to have a reminder, so you need to subscribe. But at the end of the day, when you have the consistency, you know that you can trust him. You know that you can build an amazing relationship. You know that you're facing someone that is very mature, that is just a man. He's not a boy or a kid. He's a man. And that is for me a huge difference. So instead of putting him on a pedestal, instead of giving him all the attention, let's stay focused on you, ladies. Let's make sure that we go get the results. So you need to subscribe. Go in the description. You will have all the gifts to learn how to flirt with a man. You can also book a private coaching with me because I'm a real coach. I'm not an influencer or a YouTuber. I'm here for you. I respond to your question and I show you that we can do it together. Okay? So just continue to ask yourself those questions. Question number 1, is he investing? Is he proposing something? Number 2, is he projecting himself? Number 3, is he opening his world? Number 4, does he remember what I say? Number 5, am I his mother or savior? Or is it something more natural? Number 6, does he continue to have his own life and passion? Number 7, is he consistent? Okay, this is only thing that we want to look at. It's just very important for you to be honest with yourself. Sometimes we feel something is off, but we want to believe in the relationship, so we lie to ourselves. Not a good idea, ladies. Okay, we want to change that and go get the results. I will see you very soon for a new video. Take care of yourself.